Hey guys, I want to give you a quick glimpse into my Demolition Crew template. With this template, it makes a great option for a lot of different sports. You can use it for basketball, football, volleyball, softball, baseball, wrestling, soccer, or pretty much any sport that includes a scoreboard. This template also makes a really cool individual banner for lots of different athletes and sports teams. You can easily change the colors to whatever you want to. So let's look at these layers here really quickly to see how easy it is. If I want to change the scoreboard colors, I'm going to double click on here. I'm going to slide this around and change it to whatever my team color is. And it's super easy to change this all at once. And there's a full tutorial included with the download that explains all those layers, how to use them, how to position your subjects, light your subjects, and insert your subjects. And it's very easy to get your subjects to fit into the scene. All these scoreboards are on different layers that you can select and move around. So you can position them in different spots if you like. Moving them out, moving them in, scaling them, things like that. You can also have options for different floors. So there's asphalt option here for just about all kinds of different athletes. There's grass. Again, lots of different athletes fit on the grass. Soccer, baseball, softball, football, things like that. You have the gym floor. I also have ice for hockey and a wrestling mat. So lots of different sports are going to look really cool in this template. Again, all this is explained within the tutorial. Hope you give it a shot. I know you're going to love it.